morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We are going to read a book this morning. This is our book we're going to read. Have you ever seen a book this big?
No, I did.
You have? We've read one before, right?
Yeah.
We read about the bones and the muscles?
Yeah.
Well, this is a big book like that. What part of the book is this?
The front cover.
The front cover.
Spine.
Spine.
Back cover.
And the back cover.
Whoa,
Good
I
job.
want a tail.
What do you think this book might be about? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Nala,
Huh?
what do you think the book might be about?
The mouse paint.
The mouse.
You called me Lila.
I did. I said Nala, I think. Well, if I did, I'm sorry. You knew I meant you. Well, how about Lila? Lila, how about you? The mice are changing. You think the mouses are changing color? The mice are changing color? I think some of you may have read this before. Cadence? What do you think might happen?
After they just turn colors, she'll drop in puddles.
Puddles. I think you've read this before.
Stephanie.
Emmeline, what do you think might happen?
They dumped in the paint and then they mix the colors up.
They jumped in paint and mixed the colors up.
I can whistle. I can snap. I can do.
Right now it's not a good snapping or whistling time. Right now we are reading a story. Zoe, what do you think might happen?
They are going to dip their head in the paint.
Their head? Okay, if you say so. They're going to dip their head in the paint.
How do you split that long word?
Those are lots of words. They are going to dip their head in the paint.
Ow.
Okay, last one. Aiden, what do you think they're going to do?
They're gonna paint a picture.
No, can you turn around, please?
Yes, they will.
They are going to paint a picture. Those are some good predictions. Let's see who's going to be right. Let's see, we got the mouse paints. The mice are changing color. They may jump in puddles. They jump in paint and mix the colors up. And they are going to dip their head in the paint. They are going to paint a picture. Let's see. Well, first we have to read the title of the book.
Mouse.
What letter is this?
Mouse.
What letter is that? M. What sound does the M make? What on the cover of this book makes an M sound? Mouse. What letter is this?
P.
What sound does the P make? What on this cover? Might start with a P. Paint. So what do you think the title is? Mouse Paint. Mouse Paint. The author and illustrator is Stoll Walsh. What does an author do?
Write the words. Write
They write the words. The author writes the words. She's also the illustrator. What does the illustrator do?
Draw the pages or paint the pages.
They do the artwork. They paint the pages or draw them.
I think they draw. I think they paint.
You know what? This looks like maybe she
Painted.
cut out some paper or tore it and then cut out. Their tails look like they're cut out of paper and glued on. But then the paint looks painted. Yeah. Maybe.
What?
So let's open the book.
How they
Mouse
put-
paint.
How they put the letters
This is
in
the
there.
title page. The title page has the title again, which was Mouse Paint. It has the author and the illustrator again, Ellen Stoll Walsh.
How did they put the letters in there?
With a big machine.
Wow.
Okay, put on your story listening ears. Good job. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. The cat couldn't find them. Why do you think the cat couldn't find them?
Because they were camouflage. And what?
That's a big word.
They were white. And they're on white paper.
That's hard to see white things on white paper, isn't it?
I can see them, but not to me. I can see that stuff on the other.
I know.
I can see since the click. Guess what? My cat can only see black and brown.
Really?
I don't have a cat.
Cats don't see color?
Sometimes.
I did not know that. We'll have to look that up
I
later.
don't really see pink.
I did not know that.
Well, mine doesn't.
One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of
Paint.
One
Red.
was one
Was yellow.
and one.
Was blue.
They thought it was mouse paint. And they climbed right in. You were right, Zoe. They did go in. Look. Look. He went in head first. Would you like to climb in a big barrel of paint?
Yeah! I want to be a mouse. I want to be in paint.
Oh, I don't know if I would like that.
Well, I will. Me 3. Me 4.
Then, one was,
Red.
one was,
Yellow.
and one was
Blue.
They're not the white mice anymore, are they?
No. So they made puddles.
They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. The puddles looked like fun. Have any of y'all ever played in puddles when it was raining?
Yeah, I have. I saw Peppa Pig.
That's fun, isn't it?
Me too. I'm reading my hand. I need to tell you something. Stephanie,
Yes.
at the beach with Justin where it was raining and then there was a lot of puddles and every time I saw a puddle I jumped in.
You did. Did you have your bathing suit on?
Yeah, we were going out to the beach.
No, that's a good time
And
to
I
jump
was
in puddles.
and I was gonna get in the ocean water where it wasn't very deep.
Oh,
Where like all kind of little tiny fishes are swimming. That's like where
Okay.
I like to go.
Lila, real quickly, and then let's read the book.
Once I was watching Peppa Pig and Peppa and George were in the rain and George didn't want to wear his rain hat and then he got a cold.
Oh, I can see why that would happen this way. The puddles looked like fun. Oops, about spoiled the ending.
I was right!
The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. Do a little dance with feet. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until...
I was right.
What do you think's going to happen?
Orange!
Look, he cried. Red feet in a yellow puddle make...
Orange! I
You're
was
right.
right. Me too. I was right. 'Cause yellow.
The yellow mouse hopped into a
Blue puddle.
And his feet mixed and stirred and stirred and mixed until...
Green!
What color do you think it was? Yes. Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make
Green! The blue
Then the blue mouse jumped into a
red puddle.
and he splashed and mixed and danced until purple, they all shouted.
Miss, I'm Stephanie. Emma's too close to me.
Emma, will you scoot up a little bit? Blue feet in a red puddle make
Purple.
Purple.
I did it. I went like
You're
this.
fine. You're fine. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff. Have you ever gotten paint on you?
Yeah.
And it gets sticky and stiff when it starts drying?
Yeah.
That feels really weird. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. What are they taking a bath in?
Cat bowl.
The cat's water dish.
And then the cat's napping. Cat's what?
He said the cat's napping. You remember that. Get it, Emily.
Cat.
I hope he stays napping.
Me too.
And painted the paper instead. Oh, what good little mice. They painted one part.
Red.
What color?
Red.
And they one part. What's the color? Yellow.
Why is his cheek blue? Why is his cheeks backwards? Orange. And why is he upside down?
He's not upside down. And one part blue. They mixed red and yellow paint to make yellow and blue paint to paint, and blue and red paint to make a purple part. But they left some white because of the
cat. Is that the cat's tail?
mhm.
I know how to
So they
spell
can
cat.
hide from the
Because
cat.
the cat will get mad at
Let's see who remembers.
C-A-T.
Did anybody learn anything? Maybe about what two colors mix?
I did.
Zoe, what did you learn from that book?
They mix the colors up. That's what I said. We say the same thing.
Yeah.
But that's really what I said.
Maybe some of you can tell me which two colors they mix to make a new color. Lila?
The one that was dripping wet, he was mixing doing a little dance, and it mixed orange.
What did he use to make orange?
Red.
And? You forget? Anybody tell me? Red and what make orange? What did the red mouse dance in to make orange?
Blue. Red. Yellow.
Well, he's already
Yellow. Yellow. Guess what, Miss Stephanie?
Zoe, is that necessary? Was dancing in the red paint to make orange.
See the little rainbow down there. I can too. I can do it.
Cadence. What did you learn?
I learned that they splashed in a puddle. I was right.
You were right. What did they do in the puddles? Why did they splash in the puddles?
Because to make different colors.
There we go. They splashed
And to make green.
in
The paint.
the puddles to make new colors. Elizabeth, what did you learn? Emmeline. Please stop.
They fall in the paint.
They fell in the paint. That was funny when they did that. They were all the way in there, weren't they? They climbed into the paint. They didn't fall in.
Yeah.
They wanted to be in there.
And they did. And then they changed colors.
Okay, let's see who can remember. What happened when they mixed red and yellow? What color did it make?
Green. Yellow. Purple. Green. Red. Orange. Green.
Red feet in a yellow puddle made orange. What happened when the yellow mouse danced in the blue paint? What color did it make?
Green. Purple.
Yellow feet in a blue puddle made green. You were right, Aiden.
Purple.
Okay. Red feet. Oops. Blue feet in a red puddle made purple. Look. Yes, you were right. Very good. And today, I'll let you guys mix some paint. You can mix it like the mouse on the paper with paint brushes. And mix it and see if you can make the colors like the mice.